Hi everyone, this is Yad from Big Productions and welcome back to this new review. Today I'm gonna unbox and review the SmallRig NP 970 and the capacity of it around 10,000 milliamp. The weight of it's around 350 gram. That's very good. In the first position, it's for Sony cameras, but you can use it, of course, with a lot of monitors out there. The watt of it, the power of it, it's around 76 watt per hour. It comes with a lot of guide menu that you can read and take a look on them. The cable, it comes with USB type C from both sides, and also it comes with this nice screen that tells you how much do you have charge in it and how much it's charging right now. From the outside, as you see here, we have this kind of texture, and it comes also with 3 colors, but now it comes with the USB type A just as an output, type C as output and input. As I mentioned, it comes with 3 colors, the orange one of them, and black and green, darker green, very nice color, but I prefer just to buy this color because it stand out when I'm looking for it between all my things. So as you see here, USB PD. So I just bought it to use it with my Canon R5C, of course, while I'm using this monitor also. So in this case, I'm not depending anymore on the camera from Canon because, as you know, it's 20 minutes and just need to be replaced or recharged. Now I can run for hours using the monitor and using the camera also without any headache. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please give it a like, share, subscribe, and I will see you, of course, with the next video. Peace.